Hello ma'am, myself Avinash Lande and today's topic is OOPS in Java and today date is 26 February 2024. In this topic we'll learn about basic of OOPS. Object oriented programming is a paradigm that provide many concepts such as inheritance, data binding, polymorphism, etc. Samula is considered the first object oriented programming language. The programming language paradigm where everything is represented and object is known as a truly object oriented programming language. The object the object oriented language, the main aim of object oriented language is to implement a real world entity object their example object class abstraction inheritance polymorphism etc. The OOPS object means a real world entity such as a pen, chair, table, computer, watches, etc. Object oriented programming is a methodology or to the design a program using classes and objects. It simplify software development and maintenance by providing some concept. The in this in this the four pillars of object oriented language. In first one inheritance, second one polymorphism, the third one abstraction, fourth one is encapsulation. Apart from this concept, there are some other terms which are used to object oriented design. First coupling, second cohesion, third association, fourth aggregation, fifth composition. In this OOPS, the first one, the object, an entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. An object can be defined as an instance of a class. An object contains an address and takes up the some space in memory. Object can communicate without knowing the details of the each other's data or code. The only necessary things is type of message accept the type of response written by the object. The next one is a class. A class can also defined as a blueprint from the which is you can create a individual object. Class doesn't consume any space. The pillars of OOPS concept discuss about one by one. First one is inheritance. When one object acquires all properties and behaviors of a parent object known as inheritance. It provides reusability, is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Second one is polymorphism. If one task is performed in different ways, is known as polymorphism. For example, to convey the customer differently, to draw something, for example, shape, triangle, rectangle, etc. The Java used method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. And the third one is abstraction, hiding internal details and showing the functionality is known as abstraction. For example, phone call, we don't know internal processing. Fourth one is encapsulation, binding for wrapping code and data together into the single unit are known as encapsulation. For example, capsule, and it's wrapped with different medicines. A Java class is example of encapsulation. Java Beans is fully encapsulated class because all the data members are private here. The next one is coupling. Coupling refers to the knowledge or information or dependency of another classes. It arises when classes are aware of each other. If classes has the details information of another classes, there is a strong coupling. The Java use private, protected, and public modifiers to the coupling. The second one is cohesion. The cohesion refers to the level of component which prefer the object oriented language. The task is into separate the parts. The Java IO package is a highly cohesive package because It has input output related classes and interface. That's all about the object oriented language. Thank you.